Hey folks, we're here in the ranch again today, and I am following Myra to a really nice lady's house. Her name is Dinah, and you're going to see what we can do for her. Hopefully she'll tell us her story.
Hi!
Surprise!
Hi!
Hi! How are you?
Good!
How are you, Dinah?
Good!
I'm here to surprise you.
Oh, okay.
Who's this?
This is Eva.
Hi, Eva.
You haven't met Eva?
Hi, I haven't. Hi.
This is Cara.
Oh, hi. So, I'm doing a little special show on the DIY paint page on Facebook, and it's like a show format. And I'm going around to folks in the neighborhood and gifting them with furniture or color makeovers. And we're going to gift you.
Really?
Yes!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
We're so excited.
I have like the perfect piece. Do you want to come look?
I know that you have an empowering story and things to tell, and I'd like to know if you'd like to share any of that with us.
Sure, and actually I can kind of relate it to this piece of furniture, as funny as that sounds. But so this year I will have 5 years clean. I was a drug addict for many years, and kind of like the lowest you can get, I've been there, and I was there for a long time. And it's my message and my story is just that you can rebuild your life, and you can change and be anything you want to be. I'm not super successful yet, but I'm working towards it. Yeah,
I think you are.
It depends on how you gauge success, but where I'm at from where I've come is huge. And this was the first piece of furniture that my husband and I bought together, and this is one of the first things I bought new, big purchases. But I lived a life where I never could have imagined that, so. And it's just never too late. It's not too late. I'm 35. I'll be 36 this year, and my story's just starting.
That's wonderful. It's never too late. 5 years.
Thank you.
Way to go. Way to go. Oh. Myra, thank you so much for sharing. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to make this piece shine just like you are. Make it as beautiful as you are.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. Number 2 in the house. That guy is awesome.